Morning, good afternoon and good evening my dear children. I don't know when you will watch this video. Anyway, today let's have a review of the chapters Teamwork and Flying Together. See, Teamwork is a wonderful poem written by Jan Negro. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. See, the poem Teamwork has 3 stanzas. The first stanza, the poet tells that if we work together as a team, we can do any difficult work so easily and effectively. We can share the joy of happiness. You know, in a team, there will be more than 2 persons, right? 2 persons or more than that. If they work together for a common goal, we can call them as a team. For games like football, volleyball or basketball or even cricket, we need a team. In the second stanza, the poet expresses that every person in a team is very, very important. Whether it's a basketball, the players have to pass the what? Pass the basketball from one person to another, and they have to pass the basketball through the hoop. If it's a relay race, they have to pass the baton from one person to another. In the third stanza, the poet reveals that on some occasions it becomes very beneficial or a big advantage when I and you work together as a team. The whole poem reveals that teamwork is very, very important in our life. Story Flying Together, a group of or a flock of geese, young geese, lived on the top of a tree, and the wise old bird lived with them. The wise old goose always advised the young geese to cut the creeper which was growing at the bottom of the tree, but they neglected. Later, what happened? The creeper grew so thick and strong that one day a hunter reached on the top of the tree and he spread a trap, a net for the young geese. Unfortunately, all these geese were trapped by the hunter. Fortunately, the wise old bird was again ready to save the young geese. The wise old bird advised them to pretend as if they are dead when the hunter comes. They pretended as if they are dead. The whole team of geese or flock of geese worked together as a team. When the hunter came, he realized or he thought that all the geese were dead and he threw one by one to the ground. Finally, when the last goose was on the floor, the whole flock of geese flew away. Thus they saved. Here also we can see the teamwork of the geese or the flock of geese saved them from the trap of the hunter. So teamwork is very important in our life. Together we stand, divided we fall. Children, the important question words are the WH question words: what, when, where, why, then. The question words like who, whose and whom, which indicate persons, then how much and how many. These are the most important question words. Here you can see the contractions and expansions. Contractions means the shortened forms and expansions means full forms. Okay, shan't, shall not. I am. See, apostrophe. They, apostrophe re. The expanded form is they are. Okay, so contracted form means shortened forms and expanded forms means full forms. Adjective nouns are the nouns which represent a group of things. It can be a group of things, it can be a group of animals, birds, or even humans. See, flock, herd, army, fleet, bouquet, all these are some examples of collective nouns. So dear children, prepare well for your exam. All the best.